Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer TikTok Shop seller settings to new phone dashboard, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your TikTok Shop seller settings to a new phone, ensure you have your old phone and new phone ready. Start by downloading the TikTok app on your new phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app on your new device. Sign in using the same TikTok account you used on your old phone. After signing in, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, locate the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access the settings menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy to open the settings page. Scroll down and select Account. Here, you will find the option for TikTok Shop. Tap on it to access your seller account settings. If prompted, verify your identity through the email or phone number associated with your account. Once your identity is verified, you should see your seller dashboard. To ensure all settings are correctly transferred, review your shop performance metrics and product listings. Check your payment settings to make sure they are linked to the correct accounts. Adjust any notifications and preferences according to your needs. If you encounter any issues, you can contact TikTok customer support for assistance. Finally, test your seller settings by conducting a trial transaction to confirm everything is functioning properly. Once confirmed, you are all set to start using TikTok Shop on your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.